What advice do you want to give to engineering student in deciding what field to choose after graduation po?
So what advice do I want to give to engineering students in deciding on what field they're going to take after graduation or after passing their boards? So I remember the PC president told us during our oath-taking ceremony, we must choose a certain field where we focus to excel because it is better to be a master of one field than to be a jack of all trades, master of none. So, mahirap yon kasi nga dito sa engineering, madami tayong fields. So, hindi ka naman pwedeng isinasabay na na-develop yung sa designing mo kasi madami kang aaralin pa dyan para ma-reach yung excellence na gusto mo. And hindi yun kaya pag pinagsasabay-sabay mo. So, ayun, pili ka ng isa where for you, kung gusto mong ma-develop yung skills sa field na yon or pumili ka na ng ng field kung saan alam mo yung strength mo. So, engineering students must evaluate themselves now on their strength and weaknesses to help them decide on what fields they are going to take. So, ayun, para hindi na sila mahirapan pag naghanap din ng work. So, alam nila kung sa designing company ba sila mag-a-apply, sa construction na firms, ganyan.